Our attention over to another name, and that is Palantir. Early this morning, I saw a friend of our network, Dan Ives, talking positively about this one, and it's doing well today. Tell me more about it.
Yeah, Dan Ives has taken a take on the Michael Jordan of something, and he's turned Palantir into the Messi of AI. Why doesn't he just say Michael Jordan? I'm from Chicago. I need him to just say Michael Jordan. But anyway, the soccer reference aside, he's talking very positively about Palantir's role in overall AI, and he thinks it sets them up for massive growth. Now, Palantir, I have that stock up almost 9% as we get to the second half of the day. So a really good week for Palantir. Dan Ives and Wedbush loves the stock, calls it the Messi of AI. So pretty big words when you think about the Nvidias and AMDs and all these companies that are dealing in AI right now. Palantir, their work, here's what he said. Palantir has built an AI fortress that is unmatched and poised to be a major player in this AI revolution over the next decade. That is a pretty significant statement about AI. And Palantir stock, that trades a modest $17 when you compare it to AMD and Nvidia, a big serious player in AI, a name we haven't really talked about a lot in terms of AI, but a serious player, Nicole.
I think he always liked this name, and he's coming out, and he's so good at putting together the sound bites. But, this can fight counterterrorism. There's so much behind this. But this is a name that he's liked for a long time. I mean, he's always been a fan of cybersecurity, and there's certain things that he's just, he hasn't wavered. Even when we sold off in a big way on tech, and you started to wonder, was he eating his hat? But then only to find that he was right in the end about names like Apple and Tesla and such, and Palantir. All right, good to see you, Kevin Hinks.